Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on REALME GT 70. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. And now click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match. Then click here on Hey Google. Now scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down and click I agree again. And then click next. Now click on Retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you have to go back, and then click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Then go back and go back again, and click on Gemini. And my Gemini is now enabled, so let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.